Okay, chat, I know what I said that rushing would lead to certain failure, but be honest, he's kinda stealing my friend's videos. Well, no, not my friend's videos, I meant my videos, and he's claiming that they are his.
Why is the...
I haven't responded yet.
Oh, hey, Camilo, long time no see.
This is my honest first response to it entirely. So, to be honest, this guy has gone too far, and I can't send a lawsuit.
Why is the...
And I can't send a copyright lawsuit either, chat, because, like, I can't send a copyright lawsuit either because you have to fill out entire blocks of information, which is something that I don't want to do. And being completely honest with you, like, I'm gonna show you why I can't do that. So, I can report it, go to legal issue, copyright issue, open it with Chrome. Which we're gonna send one. And I have to include, like, a lot of my stuff, which I don't want to do because, like, I'm, like, 13, and I don't have, like, half of that stuff. And I don't know if a Bood can do it either, because, like, I don't know, like, if he has, like, that kind of stuff or not. So, yeah, that's about all I have to say. Goodbye.